Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is Mikir here and I'm back with a new video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Line account. So without any further ado, let's start. First of all, on your device, launch the Line app. If you don't have Line app on your device, simply install Line app from Google Play Store on your device. Once you install that, open that app and you will land on this interface. Now from here at the bottom of your screen, you will log in or sign up. Since we are creating a new account, tap on sign up. So once you land on this interface, first of all you have to select the country or region where you currently live. So select the country. Once you select that, from the bottom that says continue with Google, tap on continue with Google and a dialog box will pop up. From there you have to select your account. So go ahead and select your account. Once you select the account, again tap on continue. Now enter your name. Once you're done, tap on the arrow that you will see on your interface. Now you have to create a password and make sure your password is 8 or more characters and has at least 3 of the following as shown in the interface: an uppercase, a lowercase, a number and a symbol. So with that on your mind, create a password. After that you have to re-enter your password. Once you're done, again tap on that arrow. Wait until syncing the data. Once you're done with that, you have a Line account, and if you want to add friends as contacts, simply tap on add to contact. But for now I will just go with cancel. And in order to turn on your notification, simply go to your settings and then again tap on allow. Once you are done with that, you have your Line account. So this is how you can simply create a Line account. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon so that the next time we upload the video you will get notified. If you have any comments or questions, drop them down. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.